Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Calvin Johnson. In this video, I'll be showing you how to block senders and domain names in Outlook.office.com. You can actually block domains and email address in your Outlook.com you've installed on your Windows 11 device or Windows 10. But from your web browser, how do you actually block domain names and email address? So what you need to do is actually to go to here. We have the option called settings. So just click on settings. And after you click on settings, you can see we have the view all Outlook settings. So click on that and just wait for some seconds. And if you click on the view all Outlook settings, here we need to go to our junk email from your mail. And from a junk email, you can see I've already added two email address from which was added from Outlook on my Windows 11 device, which was installed on my Windows 11 device. They will definitely be displayed here. So what I need to do is I actually need to just click add. And by clicking add, I will just need to enter the email address. For example, I just want to enter the following email address: info@global.com. So by clicking the info@global.com, just hit enter. And automatically you can see that email address, have the domain name have been added. Or we can also add the fully qualified domain name as well. Let's just click add, and then what we need to do right now is I want to enter just the global.com. I enter the global.com, then hit enter on your keyboard, and you can see that the domain name has been entered. So which means that no one from this domain will be able to send you email address. But you can add a specific email from it. For example, if you think that you don't want anyone from this domain name, but from a specific email address from that domain name, you can also add it here. And what you need to do is just click. We can also scroll down to see what options we have. Only trust email from addresses in my save sender and domain list and save mailing list, or trust email from my contact. You can as well select that. So let's just click save. You can see it has been saved. So the next time when someone tries to send you email from this domain, definitely it will be blocked. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Calvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Hit the like button and leave comments if you have any question, and I'll reply to you as quick as possible. Bye.